Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy and this is Living Life Within a Budget. Today we have a TEMU haul, all things that I got for my kids for Easter. Let's get into it. So, first item we have here. Oh, I love when they do this. This is a canvas poster. I love when they put the fabric tape on it, so then I can just wrap it back up and then wrap it for Easter or for Christmas or birthdays or whatever. But it is a Minecraft poster. It's the perfect size. It's exactly what I wanted for him because I got my older son the tin sign of Predator, if you may have seen in the last video or a couple videos back, either or. But it was about this size, so I wanted them to have about the same size. But this one's a canvas, and it's really cool. It has a lot of characters in it. He's going to love that. It's very good quality as well. Let's wrap this back up. And done. Next item we have here, we actually have two of these. I'll get to the other one once we get to it. Now, these little creatures are just popping up in, like, I haven't seen them before until my sons got obsessed with them. But I believe they're in Fortnite as well. But they're called axolotls. And this is a little tiny squishy toy. And my kids have been wanting toys of axolotls or stuffies or squishies or anything like that for a long time. So I figured that this would make them happy for Easter. And there he is there. He's really cute. Flipper tail. And they're stretchy. And then I got my older son. You'll see the theme here in just a minute. It's an adjustable necklace that has, it's a really nice leather cord, but it's adjustable, and it has an axolotl pendant, and it's made out of like wood, so it's really nice. He's going to love that, but he's been asking for a new necklace, so I think this will be perfect for him. Okay, and speaking of axolotls, we do have two of the same here, but they're different colors. And they're stuffies. And this one's blue. Oh, he's so soft. Like, he's almost like a squishmallow material. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. He's got his little tail there. And then we have the second one. One came in a bag and one did not. And this one's green. And it's the exact same feeling, just like the other one. And this is going to go great in their Easter baskets. They're going to love them. Little tail. Those are so cute. Okay, and last is the other squishy one. It was just a small order, but it was just to top up their Easter things. And this one's pink. And there's the pink one. Again, stretchy. Flippy tail. they're going to really like these. They're really into fidgets and stuff as well. So that also accounts for that as well. And there you have it. What's your favorite thing from today? Because mine are these two. Definitely. Really great deal for the price of them. And that's what they've been asking for 2 weeks. So I got them. And they came just in time for Easter because tomorrow is Easter. So I hope everybody has a happy and safe Easter. I know this is probably coming out after Easter, but nonetheless, have a happy and safe holiday. Hope you enjoyed your dinner if you had one, or maybe you got something cool. Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, if you'd like to join up to TEMU, make sure that you're clicking the affiliate link that's in the description box of the video. That affiliate link will get you $100 off in coupons when you first sign up. All these things are from TEMU. I'm not sponsored, just so you guys all know. I did have a few questions about that, if I was sponsored in any of my other videos. No, I'm not sponsored. This is all on my own dime, which I don't mind because I'm going to buy it anyway, so I might as well make the content out of it. But if anybody would like to sponsor me, I'm not going to say no. Okay, and thank you. Make sure that you're liking, commenting, and subscribing. We want to get this channel going, and all you got to do is share it. Share it to your friend. Do you think that they will like it? Do you think that they'd shop at TEMU or maybe AliExpress? Never know. So let them know. So share out the link and hit that notification bell so that you're not missing when I post another video. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Bye.